Hi guys, this is a quick recap of what we did in class today. So for the purpose of this video, I'm using period 6, but the lesson is the same no matter what class period you're in. The date and day might be different. So this is the second half of our lesson called Working Toward the Dream, which is numbered 1.22. There is a PDN for you to answer here that contains a video that gives you some background on Cesar Chavez, which is he's mentioned in the article that we are reading today. So make sure you do that PDN. And then you can see that the main bulk of the lesson was to deal with this article called Robert Acuna Talks About Farm Workers, which is going to be completed through an Edpuzzle. And then you will finish up with a quick write response on No Red Ink. So if you look in your classwork tab, down at the bottom of cycle 18, there is an assignment called 1.22 part 2. So there are 2 links here. So there's nothing that you really have to fill in and turn in. Basically, you are just making sure you complete the assignment at either link, and then you can mark this as done or turn it in or do whatever you need to do to get it off your to-do list on Classroom. So the first thing is the Edpuzzle. You can see it is the text on the screen, and it is also the audio with subtitles here. There are 10 questions embedded within it. So you are going to listen to the audio, follow along with the text, and answer the questions as they come up. That is how you're going to deal with reading this text. When you are finished with that, you can click on the second link, which is for No Red Ink, and you'll see the prompt for your quick writing response. Write a paragraph, and I'm defining that as 5 or more sentences, explaining the difference between the opportunities that the United States offers to immigrants and to native-born Americans. So that can address stuff that you learned in today's article, or in any article that we've read so far, any other text we've read in this class, or just your personal opinion based on current events, personal experiences, basically anything. I am just looking for you to give me 5 sentences explaining what you think is the difference between the opportunities the U.S. offers to immigrants and the opportunities the U.S. offers to native-born Americans. If you do not think there is a difference, that's fine. You just have to tell me why within 5 sentences. If there is a difference, that's also fine. This is an opinion question. So if there is a difference, you explain that in 5 or more sentences. When you are done entering your quick write in this area, you just click Save and Exit. Oops, I'm sorry. You click Submit Writing, and then it will submit it to me so I can grade it. So make sure that you're looking here, write at least 75 words. Use the word count feature in Google Docs if you need to. So like I said, once you have done both the Edpuzzle and that prompt on No Red Ink, you can turn in this assignment or mark it as done, and then you are done for the day.